So I have an idea, right? And I'm not super proud of this idea, but I still want to try it out. We've been talking a lot about pirates recently over at the agenda, and I was thinking, Honey's basically like the parrot on my shoulder. So why not try and get her to physically sit on my shoulder like a parrot? Seems foolproof, right? But, you know, she's a cat, so it's not gonna go well. Honey. Can you, oh. Okay, that's not it. That's not it. Oh, we did it. We did it! Second try. Folks, we did it. Honey, come back.